why do you say that?
If someone wants to surpass this predetermined beneficiaries,
The father comes as
Yes.
a secondary legal
yes,
heir.
her parents are not automatically included. Unfortunately, not a lot of people talk about it because
We say that the average age of an Indian is increasing,
yeah,
but there are too many incidences that keep on happening. Like COVID was there, and I'm sure a lot of people faced some sort of losses.
yeah.
And inheritance becomes a vital part of your life then, especially at a young age,
Yes.
right? So if you could just dive into that topic a little for us to know better.
Sure. So I think Drashti, post COVID, there is so much volatility when it comes to human life, that inheritance and talking about estate planning has become even more vital right now, as you rightly mentioned. Unfortunately, not a lot of people talk about it because it is a very overwhelming topic even now. Like, despite us having so much awareness about it, to come to think of it, I do empathize with people where they feel that only if I'm old or something, I will bring on this topic with the family, and till then it's a very sensitive topic that I may beat around the bush. So when someone inherits something through a will, there is no taxation unless there is a sale or there is any sort of income that one earns from that. um, now getting into the private trust concept, it's a very interesting concept. So private trusts, before we deep dive into the taxation, I would like to just briefly talk about what a private trust is.
Sure.
For easier understanding.
100%.
So it is an advanced tool in estate planning which has a lot of benefits. It has more benefits than cons. Okay. So will, no matter how airtight you make it, is going to be susceptible to challenges. No matter how, even if you keep it registered, even if you ensure that everything is covered, everything is airtight, it still is susceptible to challenges.
Why is that so? Sorry, we can go back to that question again.
Yeah.
But why do you say that?
Because legal heirs are not, there is no embargo on legal heirs from contesting any portion of whatever is written in the will. They are still entitled. So there are different succession acts that is applicable to individuals depending on the religion that they follow. For example purposes, Hindu Succession Act. So for a married Hindu male, um, there are a set of predetermined legal heirs who are defined for him. So for him, it would be his mother, his spouse, his children.
Right.
Now, if he has, for example, if he has a sister, that sister comes as a secondary legal heir, and so does the father. So only
The father comes as a
Yes.
secondary legal
Yes,
heir.
yes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So very interesting.
Yeah.
And for women, they don't even come in the first level of beneficiaries, the first level of legal heirs.
As in, if it's a woman.
If it's a married woman,
Ah.
her legal heirs are only her husband and children. Her parents are not automatically included.
Really?
So yeah. So if someone wants to surpass this predetermined beneficiaries, people generally go for wills, right, where they can deviate from this entire disposition and make choices about who they want to benefit from their estate.